If you want to speed up your cleaning time, try these cleaning hacks that will give you a spotless home in minutes. First up is this microfiber cleaner with a pole. They're technically called window cleaners, but I use these to clean my kitchen counters and my island. It speeds up time so much than using just a microfiber rag, especially when you're trying to quick clean, reach like long areas. I can extend that pole and I can get through my whole island, all my counters in literally like seconds. That pole helps so much. And because the heads are microfiber, you can easily switch them out and wash them whenever needed. It helps you to wipe down your countertops within seconds. So if you do have a large kitchen, or if you have a lot of countertops and you want to speed up that cleaning, grab you a pole cleaner, speeds it up tremendously. Color catchers is another game changer. If you want to cut down on how many loads you're washing in a day or in a week, grab you some color catchers. These are dye trapping sheets that allows you to mix your colors. This will catch all of the color bleeds in the wash machine. So you can mix your light colors and your dark colors or your whites, and this will catch all of the dye that's washing in the load. So these are amazing. I even allow my little toddler to wash his clothes, and we don't separate it out, and we just use a color catcher. And we've been doing this for years, and it works tremendously well. So if you want to cut down on how much washing you're doing, try grabbing some of these, and you don't have to worry about separating. Throw them all in one wash and be done. It makes laundry so much simpler. Another hack I like to do is I like to put portable vacuums everywhere, like literally everywhere. I have one in my kitchen, my office, the cars, anywhere where you normally drop crumbs or you eat it. Having one of these makes your cleaning so much easier. One, you don't have to procrastinate and say, oh, well, the vacuum's all across the house, or the vacuum's upstairs or downstairs or whatever. If you have one handy, you can go ahead and clean. Literally within seconds, get those crumbs up. If you're eating at your desk, clean it up, be done. If you're eating in the car, clean it up, or you spill something, go on and clean it up. It just cuts down on cleaning, having you one of these nearby. So your messes don't pile up, especially in your car. Oh my God, especially in your car. Anywhere usually where you eat it, the messes can pile up if you don't go ahead and get the crumbs or the spills when it happens. And one way that has literally, it is something that I live by, I swear by, having one of these handy. Just have them handy. You don't have to make an excuse. Go ahead and just clean it and be done. So grab you a couple of these. Just have everywhere where you normally have a lot of spills or cleanups, and you won't have to procrastinate, and you can clean so much quicker. Now this one is the Eufy. I have several different brands. I do recommend the Eufy. Is one of the most reasonably priced ones that you can get a great bang for your buck for. But I do have several. I will link them all, but you can grab this one definitely usually at a good price. If you guys are enjoying this video, give me that thumbs up. Let me know you're enjoying it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe so you can join in on my next videos, and turn on your notification bell as well. Another item that just speeds up cleaning and makes it so much quicker and faster are electric cleaning brushes. This set that I'm showing you has several different attachment pieces. You can use this for so many spaces around your home. We love to use it in our bathroom. It just speeds it up. It also comes with a pole that you can attach, and if you need to reach like high areas or low areas such as a bathtub and you don't want to like do a lot of bending over, you can attach that pole and still continue to do your quick cleaning. It just speeds it up, takes out a lot of elbow grease. Plus, you can also clean windows and stoves and sinks and different things around your home too, because of the different attachment pieces. And because it comes with so many, you can label which piece you want to use for each space. So if you don't want to mix your bathroom cleaner brush with your stove cleaner brush, you can have it all separate. But this set does come with a lot. It works great. And the plug on this is actually a USB-C plug, so it's universal. Unlike a lot of electric brushes, they like come with a certain plug. But I like that this one comes with a universal plug. So in case you do lose it, because I've lost some in the past, you can still continue to use it and just find a universal plug for it. Now, one appliance we may forget to clean on a regular basis or don't even get around to it is our coffee machines. You guys, grab this coffee descaler made by Active. It's easy to use, and you can go ahead and descale your coffee machine. So you literally just pour this in your water tank and you run it. The instructions are so easy. The bottle is 32 ounces and you only use 4 ounces per cleaning. So running this through your water tank will descale it, clean it, deodorize it, and it does not take a lot of work at all. It's fast to use. It's easy to incorporate. It takes away a lot of the deep cleaning. You can descale this on a regular basis just with this product. And I love a lot of active products because they are heavily concentrated and they are made specifically for appliances and for descaling and cleaning our appliances. The descaler works with both single serve coffee makers as well as multi-cup coffee makers. Run it through and see how much dirt and grime comes out. Another amazing helper that helps to speed up cleaning is our carpet cleaner. This Hoover Smart Wash carpet cleaner is so easy. It's quick. I've had several carpet cleaners over the years in all our homes. This one, you don't have to worry about mixing solution. Literally, it has a bottle for your solution. You just pour the solution in there. It has a water tank. It does the mixing on its own. You don't have to worry about mixing. Also, the cleanup is easy. You just pour the dirty water out. There's no buttons on here, so you don't have to worry about like pressing the button to spray the solution. This one, once you push it forward, it releases solution. And when you pull it back, it brushes and pulls up the solution and dries as well. So the dryer is included. And if you do want to like dry only, like when you pushing and pulling, there is a button you can push. And if you want to continue to dry it more, you can just press that button and continue to do that too. So it's like a perfect all-in-one carpet cleaner. We can quickly clean our carpets because you guys, I'm a mom of two, a dog mom. So we're always cleaning in this house. Even my husband loves using it. It's a really fun gadget to use. It's just one of the easiest carpet cleaners on the market, and I absolutely recommend it and love it. Make your cleans so much quicker. Okay, now this one, I know you may have heard this before, you may not have, but having you a robot vacuum and mop combination is so perfect for helping you to clean your home. It literally takes the load off our shoulders. We can turn this on daily, 2-3 times a day if we want, weekly, every couple days. You can clean a certain area. And the one thing I like about this one that I'm showing you, this one is the Omni T20 made by Ecovacs. This one in particular, I like a lot because it's one step cleaning. The mop literally cleans the brushes with hot water. So you don't have to worry about cleaning the mop bristles. It also has a base that holds both the vacuum dust and debris and the dirty water and mopping tank. You do not have to clean this daily. You don't have to empty it daily. You can empty this like once a month or every 2 months, just depending on how frequently you use it. So it makes your life so much easier. The vacuum lifts when it goes onto carpet, so you don't have to worry about your carpet and your rugs getting wet. Plus, this one likes to get itself out of tangles. If you've ever had robot vacuums, I've had probably about 8 to 10. I don't know. We've lost count. We've had so many. But this one likes to get itself out of obstacles by itself. It will try and try and try and only call on you if it's absolutely necessary. But it's amazing to see how this one operates when it's trying to get it out of a tangle or if it's stuck on something. Now, the obstacle avoidance on it, amazing. Literally, with dogs and kids, we always have something on the floor. It has a really good obstacle avoidance. The mapping, it maps really quickly. It maps our entire first floor in 15 minutes, and that's 2,500 square feet. So the mapping on it is absolutely amazing too. Only issue I had to like reset it one time and do a remap maybe after a couple months of using it. That's the only con I've seen from it, but I do recommend this one if you guys are on the market looking for one. I think it's reasonably priced because there are some really expensive ones. I mean, I've seen some double the price, but this one I think is reasonably priced for all the features that you get with it. And also, you know, if you calculate how much vacuum you do or if you hire a house cleaner, just taking off the floors off your shoulders gives you back so much time. So that's something we do like, and because we do our own cleaning here, and it helps so much, saves so much time. We don't really have to worry about our floors. Once we pick everything up, we just let that vacuum go to work. And if we needed to mop, we let it mop too. So definitely recommend that. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you do watch this next video.